Lovely people, welcome back to the channel, Couponing Crystal, guys. All right, did an amazing deal at CVS this morning, guys. There is a Google document attached for you in the below section of the video, the description box of the video. There is a Google document with updated pricing and also some more deals. So go check it out. If you like it, let me know. Give me a blue heart in the comment section and let's jump into these deals. We've got another Schick razor deal, guys. This week, they are buy two and get a $10 extra buck, but it's not on the disposables. So if you pick up two of the Schick razors or refills, I'm going to get the Schick Hydro Silk 3s. They're priced at $9.59 each for a total of $19.18. Then I'm going to pick up and use two of the $4 coupons. I've got pictured the male version and the female version. Use two of those and you're going to pay $11.18 in store. You're going to get back your $10 extra buck. Final cost $1.18 for two. I think that's a great deal. The next makeup deal I'm definitely doing it. Select NYX Professional Makeup Lip Color or Gloss is going to be two for $11.98. Buy two, get a $10 extra buck. Now it says select stores and also on CVS.com, guys. This is a great deal because we're not even going to need any coupons. Your final cost after the $10 extra buck is going to be $1.98 for the two. So I definitely want to get this deal. Now for this deal, guys, I did have to scan them in store because they were not tagged in my store. So those were included when I scanned them. And then the ones in the box that I decided to get were included. I actually didn't take time to scan anything else. Now make sure you go on Ibotta and click the 10-cent back rebate for any brand lip products if you plan on doing this deal. This is a good hair care deal, guys. It's going to give you some extra bucks. The Suave this week is 2 for $6. When you buy two, you get a $2 extra buck. Now it's a limit of one. We're expected to have a 3 off of 2 coupon. Mine is pictured. I already have my coupons. I've also got a 2 off of 2 Suave hair care CRT. I'm going to combine with this. If you have that CRT, it's going to be a moneymaker because you're going to pay $1 in store. Then you're going to get back $2 extra bucks. So it will be $1 moneymaker if you have the CRT. If you do not have the CRT, then it's still going to be a pretty good deal, guys. You're going to pay $3, but you're going to get 2 back. So it will be $1 for the 2. It's going to go towards beauty. So I think you should do it. When in doubt, always scan your items at the red box because I declare my store that I love to go to and coupon for CVS had absolutely nothing tagged. I guess I was just too early. They had nothing tagged, guys. So always scan at the red box. We've got a deal on the select OGX Maui or Aveeno hair care. It's going to be buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you get a $4 extra buck, limit of 1. Now, what I plan to get is going to be the OGX. They were priced online at $8.59, so the second one will be $4.29 at half price, a total of $12.88. I'm going to use my coupons.com coupon, 3 off of 2. I'm going to pay $9.88. But then I'm going to get back my $4 extra bucks, so the final cost will be $5.88. I do have a hair care CRT that I want to combine this with, guys. So I think it's going to be a good deal. I didn't do that. I had to change it all the way up because what I wanted to get, this ended up being a better deal because I had a 4 off of 2 CRT for the Maui that showed up in my app. So what I decided to do, I did update it on the Google Doc, but I don't have it updated on my paper version. So let's just look at mine. But if you go on the Google Doc, it will be updated, okay? You're gonna buy one Maui at $9.79, buy another one at 50% off, $4.89. It's gonna be $14.68. You're gonna use 2 of those $2coupons.com coupons, which are these right here. I just brought out one so you guys can see what it looks like, okay? You're gonna use that. And if you have that 4 off of 2 Maui CRT, you're gonna use that, and then it changed my cost, which made it be a lot better. It was actually $6.68 after the $8 in coupons. Getting back the $4 extra buck made it be $2.68 as a final cost for the 2, which was actually better than doing the OGX. But you know, you do what you want to do. But I decided to get the shampoo. This is Heal and Hydrate plus shea butter for dry damaged hair. And then this one is the Curl Quench coconut oil curl smoothie for thick curly hair. So I'm excited. I actually got this one before, so I think I'm going to like it, guys. We've got an Axe deal, guys. Select Dove Axe deodorant, body wash, or degree dry spray. It's buy one, get one 50% off. When you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck, limit of 1. So we've got a $3 off of 2 any Axe coupon that was in that Unilever flyer. That flyer is on fire. Okay, what I'm going to get the Axe body wash. $5.79 online. The second one will be $2.89, $8.68 for the 2. Use that $3 coupon. It's going to drop it to $5.68. After the $2 extra bucks, it will be $3.68. But if I get a body wash CRT, this is going to be a great deal. Hopefully I'll get one. Okay, guys, I had to change my deal. Well, I didn't change the deal, but I had to change the pricing, okay? I will update on the Google Doc. All right, I got 2 of the Axe body wash. In my store, they were priced at $5.99. So even if I put a price on here, guys, you make sure that you check your price in store. Always scan at the red box if you need to, because sometimes, you know, the price I use ahead of time is the app price, and it can vary. So one Axe body wash is $5.99. The second 50% off one is $2.99, making a cost of $8.98. Use one $3 off 2 Axe coupon that was in the August Unilever. You're going to pay $5.98, but you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks, making the final cost $3.98. I decided to get these, and I think they smell pretty good. This is the black frozen pear and cedar wood scent. And then this one is the clean and fired up crisp coconut and black pepper scent. Okay, I thought they both smelled good. This is not an extra buck deal, guys, but it can be potentially a good deal. Buy one, get 2 free on the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, the 43.75 to 50 ounce, or the Power Pack 17 count. Now online they're priced at $7.29 regular price. I happen to have a $2 Arm & Hammer clip to card coupon, so check your CVS app and see if you have that. If you do, you'll pay $5.29, and the final cost will be $1.76 per bottle. Not too bad. We don't have Arm & Hammer coupons, so I'm gonna possibly get this deal. Hey, guess what? We do actually have coupons. If you guys went on coupons.com this morning, I did a post telling you that we do have coupons from coupons.com, guys. So that changed the total for this. It's a good deal now. All right. It's still the same as far as what the deal is, how many you're going to buy. You're going to get 3. 2 is going to be free. But instead of it being $5.29 out of pocket, if you have that clip to app $2 off, everybody may not have that, because I think my sister had $1 off and I actually had $2 off. So mine was $2 off for the app only coupon. We're going to add in that $1 coupons.com coupon, which is going to make the cost be $4.29 for the 3. or $1.43 each, guys. That's actually better than Walgreens price, because you know they got it on sale too. Okay guys, I'm trying to show you my process in store, might make it a little easier. I actually did 2 separate transactions. These are my deals after coupons. Absolutely everything that I got, the Suave, Maui, Schick, Axe, Nix. How much I'm paying after coupons, how many extra bucks I'm getting back for each deal. All right, so it was a total of $36.82 after coupons. I only had $34 in extra bucks, which was going to make me have to pay $2.82 out of pocket plus tax if I decided to do that, and getting back $28 in extra bucks. So what I decided to do, I decided to separate into 2 transactions. In the first transaction, this is what I did. I did the Suave, paying $1 out of pocket, the Maui $6.68 out of pocket, and the Schick $11.18 out of pocket. Okay, that is $18.86 altogether. I wrote $18 in extra bucks, getting back $16 in extra bucks. So that $86 plus tax. So my subtotal should be 86 cents. Okay, if my calculations is correct. So here is the receipt, guys. There is the Suave, the Maui, and the razors. There you see my coupons, my CRTs, and my extra bucks coming off. And actually my subtotal was 56 cents. I thought it was going to be 86 cents, but that's a 56, ain't it? Yeah. Okay, guys. So what I ended up doing, what I had to factor in is what I was going to get back in increments of the extra bucks. I was getting a 2 back, a 4 back, and a 10 back. So I decided to, for the second transaction, take $6 back out of this transaction and use it on this second transaction. So for the second transaction, you see we got the Axe, we got the Nix, and we got the 3 Arm & Hammer. Now, for the transaction, the Axe was $5.98, the Nix was $11.98, a total of $17.96 for the extra buck deals, getting back $12. The Arm & Hammer, I separated it in writing it down because I didn't want you guys to think you were getting extra bucks for it. You're not. $4.29 out of pocket, adding to that $17.96 is $22.25. So at this point, I'm going to roll $22 in extra bucks. I'm going to pay 25 cents plus tax was my expectation, okay? Now remember, I had $16 over here, but I had to take 6 out of what I got back here to add to the 16 to make it be $22. Made my out-of-pocket be pretty low, I feel. Let's get the receipt. There you see the Nix, the Arm & Hammer, the Axe, all of the coupons, the CRTs, and the extra bucks. See how many extra bucks that I rolled? There's my 25 cent subtotal. I think that was pretty awesome, guys. I got my extra bucks back. Expected to get back $12 in extra bucks. I got back $12 in extra bucks. So where I'm sitting with extra bucks now is, so this is how I'm looking now. I've got $22 in extra bucks. I really don't think that was too shabby considering what I paid out, guys. I had a very low out of pocket, which is always the goal, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if it was helpful for you, let me know in the comments below of the video. I am going to update the Google document, okay? I am going to update that Google document so it will reflect the new totals, and I'm going to probably make a change to the body wash, the Suave body wash, because it's actually an unadvertised deal. It is spend 10 get a $3 extra buck. So I need to update that on the Google Doc because we've got those $1 off of 2 coupons, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I did go to Walgreens. I haven't done the video yet, guys, but be looking out for that. All right, remember, click to save and you will be amazed. If you guys enjoy this video, give Crystle a thumbs up, please. Bye, guys. Y'all know I'm gonna say something dumb at the end.